Good morning, guys. It's another day. I'm a little tired. We had a little get together with Christine's family last night, but today we don't really have much planned, but we're gonna go head out to Mooneyes, Hawaii, down in Kaimuki. Christine's uncle is actually good friends with the owners of Mooneyes, Hawaii, so we're gonna go ahead and check out their shop down there out in Kaimuki, and we're gonna meet up with another car couple just like me and Christine. Alyssa and Khalil, I don't know if you guys know who they are, but we're gonna go ahead and meet them for the very first time, talk story, check out their cars, and check out the Mooneyes Hawaii shop. But we'll bring you guys along, so let's go. We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Hi guys.
Hi.
We made it. Sorry it took so long.
Sorry.
With all the social media.
Yeah. How's everyone been playing?
How's it going, guys?
So let's go check out the shop.
There's so much stuff in here. You keep walking around and finding new things.
Yeah, so we're at Mooneyes, Hawaii.
It's a little shop, but it's packed with memorabilia. It's so cool. We want to give a big shout out to Tad for the hospitality and taking time out to talk story with us. If you are in Hawaii or plan on taking a trip out to Oahu, make sure you make a stop out in Kaimuki and check out the shop. For more information, you can find them on IG at Mooneyes_Hawaii.
Turn up this air conditioning. It's getting kind of warm in here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Thank you very much.
Thanks, man. Yeah.
you guys want?
Yeah, I remember that. Ah, dude. It's crazy.
What do you guys want?
Wait, you're asking for like 24.
Oh no.
So we're leaving the beach house right now. We're heading back to my hometown, Kaneohe, just to hang out with some of our friends, have a little dinner and stuff like that. Mooneyes was really cool. There's a lot of things to see in the store. And the owner, Tad, was actually pretty cool. So hopefully one day we can go ahead and meet the owner of Mooneyes Japan. You know, it was good to talk story for a little bit. And he even posted us up on his Instagram page, which was super dope. So shout out to you, Tad. Shout out to Mooneyes Hawaii. Thank you guys for having us. Let's head over to Kaneohe.
Times are late under the moon, and I thank God I'm breathing, and I pray don't take me soon, cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down.
I forgot how many trees was in here.
There's like at least 20.
There's at least 20 trees in here.
At least 20 trees.
Because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more war, and our children will play one day, one day.
My home. I'm home.
One day, one day. Start to bounce, we don't lose. We all lose when they're
Caught him on camera,
souls
cuz.
of the innocent blood.